Can you imagine eating candy and rapidly losing weight? Sounds too good to be true, but it is true. Here at SISEL, we've developed a Slender Pop loaded with all kinds of new technology for losing weight rapidly. Yeah, that's right. It'll support your body as you lose weight like you may have never done before. And the phenomenon is incredible. In fact, as maybe you've seen some of the publicity about celebrities getting so excited about simply sucking on a lollipop and losing weight. It's been on the news and people are saying, can you do it? Well, we believe you can. There's a new technology that's very advanced that makes this possible. And here at SISEL International, we've developed it into what we call Slender Pops. It's jam-packed with exotic ingredients from a cactus from the deserts of Africa. Maybe you've heard of hoodia. It became so famous about 25 or 30 years ago, and a reporter for CBS went there and she looked at the African Bushmen, and they were eating this product or sucking on it, and they weren't hungry all day long. And she tried it and reported to the world, it works. I wasn't hungry at all. Science jumped all over it. Hoodia products were everywhere, and people were very positive and excited about simply sucking on a piece of cactus and losing weight because the appetite went down. Well, unfortunately, it didn't match all of its billings, but there was an effect with it. But it put researchers on the track to find out what's in cactus that's so powerful that can work so well. And out of that, they've discovered an amazing variety of cactus that grows in Morocco. And we've looked at the science developed by a leading research firm in Europe that has developed this amazing product. And with that, we've taken these ingredients and put them into a delicious tasting candy and made a weight loss support lollipop. Yes, literally the candy you eat can help you to slim and slender down in your program. And it works this way. You see, cactus lives in a very dry environment where the soil is really poor, so it grows for a brief period and then has to suppress and shut down. And as a consequence, those ingredients that work within the cactus, researchers theorize will work within our body, and they have been testing it and finding out it is true. It can do it. So we've taken this amazing science and put them together in a mega pop, which we call Slender Pops. Now, the research on the ingredients show that it actually goes to the fat cells itself and flushes the water out, a diuretic effect, if you will, right out of the fat cells, and with it can come the fat. But also, another important ingredient in it has been shown to bind to the fat, literally a fat binding compound. Now, maybe you've heard of some of this in weight loss, but fat binders have got a problem. They bind to fat in the stomach where it's acidic, but when they go in the intestinal tract, they drop it. In the alkaline or the base state, they can't hold on, so the fat that's bound in the stomach just goes and gets absorbed into the body. This cactus has a remarkable property that it binds onto the fat and doesn't let go all the way through the intestinal tract. So now you have the potential of not absorbing all of the fat in the food that you eat. So we're supporting a release of the fluids within fat cells, binding the fat so it can't be absorbed, and with it, the amazing power of this cactus helps to satisfy and suppress the hunger right within the brain itself. It works right at the appetite control center to support your program so that if you cut back a little bit on the calories that you're eating and increase exercise a little bit, you could just slender and slip that fat away. It's a remarkable new discovery. And we built it, guess what? Sugar-free. So diabetics can use it. It's not going to make you fat. It's not bad for the teeth. We've even added xylitol with it. So this is the kind of pop that your children will want to eat too. So here it is, an amazing Slender Pop, jam-packed with the latest technology that science has been able to develop. This is like hoodia on steroids. This cactus extract is so powerful, there's never been anything like it before in the world. So now you can just pull out a Slender Pop and lick your way to a more slender, slim-looking you.